Welcome to my podcast, Conversations with David. I'm your host, David Owasi, and on this podcast, we are speaking with accomplished entrepreneurs and professionals across the country, and in this case, across North America. Now, I'm here with someone I have huge respect for, Johnny Anton, very, very accomplished. Why don't you introduce yourself, John?
Hey, David, thanks for having me on the podcast. My name is Johnny Anton. My birth name is John, but everybody's been calling me Johnny unless I'm in trouble. So you can call me Johnny. And I know I look just like the everyday American, or maybe I look Irish with my red beard, but my family's actually from Iraq. We came here in the 70s and 80s, and I'm a first generation refugee from Iraq, from religiously persecuted camps from radicalists in the Middle East. And my family got political asylum, thank God, to the Marine Corps in the United States. So, we were blessed to come into the United States in the 70s, 80s, and I grew up in Detroit, Michigan. And now, I have a agency called Close With Us, where we help people who are in the coaching, consulting, information, online education system space, whether you have an agency or you're a coach or a consultant, or you have a high ticket offer where you're selling something $1,000 up until $100,000 or more. I am revolutionizing sales in that marketplace, in that niche, in that vertical, by training closers to be ethical and placing them in entrepreneurs' businesses and training them to be heart-centered and putting people first and profit second. And so that's what I'm a stand for. I also have a nonprofit called ThroughYou.org, and we build schools and water wells in developing countries in Africa, which you're from Africa, as well as Guatemala and Dominican Republic. So I'm very blessed to say we have 3 projects that we've built, and we have a 4th one in Senegal on the way. And so, that's what I'm passionate about is social impact, teaching entrepreneurs how to give back while they build wealth, and, teaching people that they don't have to be their past, and they can build high income skill sets and do it ethically and not be the slimy salesperson in the economy, and really add value to businesses and change their financial future for themselves and their families. So that's what I'm passionate about and I'm excited to talk about today.
No same